In this lesson, we are going to explore the SolidWorks features environment. But before we do that, let's take a look at the model we have on the screen. You can see it consists of several different features. If we take a look at the feature manager tree, we will see we have boss extrudes, cut extrudes, and a couple of reference planes. And many of these features consist of 2D sketches, as you can see. So how do we activate the SolidWorks features commands? Well, the most common method is to go to the features tab, and there you have many of the feature commands. Another option is to go to the insert pull-down menu, and we have a boss base with a flyout menu for extrude, revolve, sweep, and so on. The same is true for cut, and the remaining commands all fall under the features flyout menu. Now, it's important to note that most of these features do require a 2D sketch upfront. So, for example, if I start a new part file, and if I go to the Features tab, we only have a couple commands available to us. Now, these two commands do require a 2D sketch. If I activate either one of these, it will take me into sketch mode, require create a 2D sketch, before we can extrude or revolve that feature. Now, the reason these two commands are available to you and not the other commands is because these are two very common commands. If we didn't have these available to us, we would first have to go into sketch mode, create a sketch to create the geometry, close out of the sketch, and then go back to the Features tab and select the feature. All they are doing here is saving us a couple mouse clicks. So I'm going to start with extrude boss base. I will select the front plane. I immediately take it into the sketch mode. I will create a center point rectangle, close out of the sketch, and now I'm returned to the property manager of the boss extrude command. I can apply a thickness of 100 millimeters and then close out of the extrude command. Fit this to the screen, and there we have a 3D part. Now, while most of these commands do require a 2D sketch upfront, some don't. For example, the fillet command and chamfer command are applied directly to a 3D part. So, if I select fillet, I can go up to my screen, select an edge, and you see the preview for the fillet. So, hopefully that gives you an idea of what SolidWorks features are and how to work in the SolidWorks features. In the remaining lessons, we are going to take a look at many of these features commands in greater detail. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe for more content.